In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can edit or even unsend messages here on iMessage. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But let's start with how you can edit an iMessage that you've already sent. First things first, obviously open up your chat that you want to send the message in. But essentially, if you've already sent the message, just like so, tap and hold on that message, and you're going to see a whole bunch of options appear on here. In the menu that does appear, go ahead and tap edit. Now, if you don't see the edit option on here, chances are the person has already seen it. So just keep that in mind. It's not going to let you edit if they've already seen it, despite if they have read receipts on or off. But essentially, for example, we could say something like hi. Then if I hold down on this one, you're going to see an edit option where I can maybe say hi with a bunch of exclamation marks or whatever I want to do. According to Apple, you do have 15 minutes after sending the message to edit it, so just keep that in mind. But if you and the person are both texting on iOS 16 or newer, you can actually view the edit history. Just tap edited underneath it, and boom, you're going to see what it used to look like compared to what it is now. Now, if you did send something to the wrong person or you want to take back a message completely, here's how. Touch and hold that exact same message. You're going to see a bunch of different pop-ups appear. Simply go ahead and choose undo send, and boom, it's going to disappear and say that you've unsent a message. And the other person is not going to see it on their chat as long as they're using also iOS 16 or later. But that is it. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.